In the middle of the jungle lived Ellie, a tiny elephant with an enormous sneeze. One day, while picking bananas, Ellie sniffled, "Ah, ah, ah, choo!" Whoosh! Her sneeze blew all the monkeys out of the trees straight into a pile of bananas. The monkeys laughed and clapped. "Do it again," they cheered. Ellie giggled, "Okay, but only once more." She sniffled again. "Ah, ah, ah, shoo!" A rainbow appeared in the sky, and birds flew in loop-de-loop. From that day on, Ellie wasn't just an elephant, she was the sneeze queen of the jungle. Every jungle party needed one thing: Ellie's magical sneeze. The end.